Okay, seriously guys, I've seen like hundreds of thousands of these videos making diagrams, and none of those can do it faster than I do. So in Rhino, I assume you already have these watertight solid maskings. Go to Display Property panel and select Parallel View. Save the view in Name View panel. Go to Display Options, import the display mode that I've linked down below. In this secret display mode that I give away for free, you can preview in real time how your diagram is going to look. So the way that we're going to fill in the green for the grass is to select these surfaces and go to the Material tab and add a new custom material that is green. You can see in real time how your diagram is going to look in Rhino. Okay, so what about the green roofs? For the green roofs, we're going to extract the surface from the solid poly surface, so that we can color them individually. Just group them and use a new custom material that is kind of like a lighter green. So we're gonna print this, and for the setting we're gonna use Adobe PDF and select raster output, and I'm just going to use 150 dpi. Also export the material ID layer, which I've linked down below. In Photoshop, the trickiest part is to get these thick outline strokes, but it's easy when you have the material ID layer. You could just use the magic wand to select the green area and then create a new layer which have the white solid fill. Double click the layer itself in the layers panel. To open the layer style, check the stroke so that we have the nice solid outline. And we could just link the PSD file to Illustrator and draw some arrows on it. I don't think we need any explanations on that. And of course, a lot of annotations and dotted lines are missing, but you can just add them. This is just an idea of how efficient this workflow can be, and that crushes every other YouTuber out there. Peace out.